In trigonometry, exercise 6.1. In exercise 6.1, we need to discuss about the first formulas. What are the formulas? Sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse side. Cos theta equal to, instead of opposite, we need to write it as adjacent. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta equal to, what is the formula? Sin theta divided by cos theta. Okay. இது எப்படி ரிமெம்பர் பண்ணணும்னா, tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta ன்னு எப்படி ரிமெம்பர் பண்ணணும்னா, இப்போ பேங்க்குக்கு போகிறோம். பேங்க்குக்கு போய் என்ன எடுக்க போவோம்? காசு எடுக்க போவோம். ஸோ காசு போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி, இந்த காசு எடுக்க போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி என்ன போட சொல்லுவாங்க? சைன் போட சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ சைனை போட்டுட்டு காசை வாங்குகிறோம். சைனை போட்டுட்டு காசை வாங்குகிறோம். வாங்கின உடனே என்ன ஆகுது? உடனே என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? தேங்க்யூ அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோமா? அதான் தேங்க்யூ. ஓகேவா? புரியுதா? புரியுதா இல்லையா? அதுதான் tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta equal to என்ன ஃபார்முலா? ஆப்போசிட் சைட் by hypotenuse side by adjacent side by hypotenuse. So remaining எவ்வளவு? Opposite side by adjacent side. Okay. Then next, cosecant theta equal to, what is the formula? 1 by sin theta. Okay. 1 by sin theta. What is the formula of sin theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse side. So opposite by hypotenuse equal to, hypotenuse will come as numerator. So hypotenuse by opposite. Okay. Secant theta equal to, what is the formula? 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta formula is adjacent by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse by adjacent. The next one, cot theta equal to, what is the formula? 1 by tan theta. So 1 by opposite by adjacent equal to, what is the formula? Adjacent by opposite. Okay. The next one, from the given figure find all the trigonometric ratios of angle B. From the given figure find all the trigonometric ratios of angle B. Which one is angle B? This one is said to be as angle B. This is A and this is C. Okay. So all the trigonometric ratio means sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. So sin theta equal to, what is the formula? Opposite by hypotenuse. Which one is the opposite? This is the opposite. Hypotenuse is, இந்த மாதிரி சாய்வுல இருந்தாலே அது வந்து hypotenuse தான். So 9 by 41. The next one, cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent வந்து என்னது? 40. So 40 by 41. Tan theta equal to, what is the formula? Opposite side by adjacent side, or sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta equal to, what is the value? 9 by 41. Cos theta equal to 40 by 41. 9 by 41 into 41 by 40. 41 cancel. 9 by 40 is the answer. The next one, cosecant theta. So B, angle B only we need to mention it. Theta angle is B only. Okay. Cosecant B equal to, what is the formula? 1 by sin B. 1 by sin B is what? 9 by 41. So 41 by 9. 41 will come as numerator. Secant b equal to what is the formula? 1 by cos b. 1 by cos b is what? 40 by 41. So it will come as numerator. So 41 by 40. Cot b is what is the formula? 1 by tan b. 1 by 9 by 40 to 40 by 9. Okay. That's all about this. The next thing. From the given figure, find the values of the sin b, secant b, cot b, cos c, tan c, cosecant c. So given figure is A, B, C, D. This is 13. This is 5. This is 16. Here, how much is there? Means 20 and 12. Okay. How we are finding out this one? This one we'll check it now. As per Pythagoras theorem, AD equal to how much? AD equal to square root AB square minus BD square. AB is how much? 13. 13 square minus BD is 5 square. 169 minus 25. Square root 144 equal to how much? 12. AD equal to 12. Okay. Okay. Now AC equal to how much? AC equal to square root. AC square equal to AD square plus DC square. Okay. AD square plus DC square. AD is what? 12 square plus 16 square. 12 square is 144. 16 square is 256. So AC equal to how much it will come? Square root 400. Square root 400 is how much? 20. Okay. Now this is 20. AC value is 20. Now we have found out AD and AC value. Now we need to find it out. What do you mean by about sin B? Sin B equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is how much? Because sin B only, by this B only we are going to find it out. Okay. By this B, this one. Okay. So opposite is what? This is the opposite. This is hypotenuse. So opposite is 12. Opposite by hypotenuse is the formula. Hypotenuse is which one? 13. The next one, second one, secant B. What is the secant B formula? 1 by cos B. Cos B is what? 1 by adjacent by hypotenuse. So hypotenuse, if it comes up, so means hypotenuse by adjacent. So hypotenuse is what? 13. 13 by adjacent is how much? 5. So secant B equal to 13 by 5. Third one, cot B. Cot B is what is the formula?
1 by tan B.
1 by tan B. Tan B is what? 1 by
Cos sin B.
1 by sin B by cos B. Okay.
1 by sin B.
Or else opposite by adjacent. Okay. Opposite by adjacent. Adjacent by opposite. Adjacent is what? Cot B means adjacent is
12.
no 5. Opposite is 12. The next one, fourth one, cos C. Cos C is this one. like this. Okay. Okay. Cos C equal to adjacent by
by
hypotenuse. Adjacent is what? Hypotenuse is
20.
20. Adjacent is 16.
60.
16. Tan C. What is the formula? Adjacent by, sorry, opposite by adjacent. So tan C equal to opposite by adjacent. So opposite is what?
12.
Tan C. Opposite is
12.
12. Adjacent is
16.
16. Correct. The next one, sixth one, cosecant C. Cosecant C is hypotenuse by opposite. Correct. So hypotenuse is what?
20.
20. By opposite is 12. So that's all. Okay. That is what the answer. The next one is third one. If 2 cos theta equal to root 3, then find all trigonometric ratios of angle theta. So given is 2 cos theta equal to root 3. Cos theta equal to what? Root 3 by 2. Correct. Cos theta equal to what? Root 3 by 2. So now we need to find out the x value. So for that, what we are going to do? As per
Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras theorem, x equal to, that is AB equal to square root AC square, okay, minus
BC square.
BC square. AC is what? 2 square. BC is
3 root
root 3 whole square. So now 2 square is what? 4 minus root 3 whole square is 3
3.
root 1. So AB equal to 1. Okay. So AB equal to 1. Okay. Now then find all the trigonometric ratios of angle theta. So sin theta equal to, all trigonometric ratios we need to find it out. Opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite is what?
1.
1. Hypotenuse is
2.
2. Because இந்த மாதிரி சாய்வலா இருந்தாலே hypotenuse தான். Cos theta equal to how much? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is what? Root 3. Hypotenuse is 2. Tan theta equal to how much? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite is what? 1. Tan adjacent is root 3. Cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. 1 by 1 by 2 equal to 2. Secant theta equal to what? 1 by cos theta. 1 by root 3 by 2 equal to 2 by root 3. Cot theta equal to how much? 1 by tan theta. 1 by 1 by root 3 equal to root 3. If it comes substitute means root 3 by 1. So root 3. Okay. The next one. If cos A equal to 3 by 5, then find the value of sin A minus cos A by 2 tan A. Okay. Sin A equal to what? Because angle A. This is angle A. Sin A equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite is what? Angle A is this one. Okay. So we need to find the x value first. So x equal to, how we need to do? X, this means 5 square minus 3 square. Root 5 square minus 3 square. 25 minus 9. Root 16. X equal to 4. So sin A equal to what? This is 4. Sin A equal to opposite by hypotenuse. 4 by 5. Cos A 3 by 5 already they have given. Tan A equal to sin A by cos A. Sin A is what? 4 by 5. 3 by 5. 5 5 cancel. 4 by 3 is
4
the
by 3.
answer. 4 by 3.
3.
Now, sin A minus cos A by 2 tan A. Sin A is what? 4 by 5. Cos A is 3 by
3 by
5.
5.
By 2 tan A is 2 into
3
4 by
4
3.
5.
So now 4, 5 is common. LCM we have taken. 5 divided by 5, 1. 1 into 4, 4. Minus 5 divided by 5, 1. 1 into 3, 3.
3
By 2 into 4, 8 by 3.
by 3.
So 1 by 5 divided by 8 by 3. 1 by 5 into 3 by 8 it will come like this if you are taking. Okay. So 3 by 40. Correct. 3 by
40.
8 into 5, 40.
40.
Now, next one is fifth sum. If cos A equal to 2x by 1 plus x square, comma, then find the values of sin A and tan A in terms of x. Okay. So now, by Pythagoras theorem, AB square, okay, AB square equal to OA square plus OB square, okay. AB is how much? 1 plus x square whole square. OA is how much? 2x whole square plus OB square. 1 plus x square whole square is how much? 1 plus
1 plus
x power 4, x square into x square, x power 4 x power 4 plus 2x square equal to 2x square. 2x whole square is 4x square. 2 square is 4, x whole square is x square plus OB square. OB square equal to 1 plus x power 4 plus 2x square plus 4x square. If it comes from the right side, left side means minus 4x square. OB square equal to 1 plus x power 4. 2x square minus 4x square is how much?
minus
2x square. Then next, OB square equal to 1 minus this x square, we need to take it whole square. Okay. OB equal to 1 minus x square. Sin A equal to what? Opposite by. So OB is 1 minus x square. Sin A is opposite by
Hypotenuse.
hypotenuse. Opposite is how much?
1 minus x.
X square by hypotenuse is
1 plus x square.
1 plus x square. Then they told to find tan A in terms of x. Tan A equal to what? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite is what? 1 minus
1 minus x square.
by adjacent is 2x. Okay.